Well, hey there. Did you miss me? It's been a minute since I've been on my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Ruthie, but with a new year brings new opportunities to start again. So I'm so excited to relaunch my YouTube channel. It's going to be a big year. I've had so much happen in my life since I was last on here with you guys. I'll fill you in a little bit. So this past November, my husband and I bought a new house. It was really sad to leave our old house. We'd lived there for 12 years. It was really home. We've spent a lot of time, energy, money, getting it to where we wanted it. And we only got to enjoy the updates for about a year, but we sold it to a great family. We're super excited for them. That particular house just wasn't going to meet our future needs for this new season. So my mom and her husband are going to be moving in with us. So we needed a bigger house. So this new house is a 6-bedroom, 5.5 bath. It's a big house, just shy under 5,000 square feet. It has an awesome basketball court in the backyard. My daughter loves basketball. My husband does. So we're super excited for warmer months. We can get out there and enjoy that. So I've got the move going. Going to be making this house a home. Going to be redecorating it, doing a no reno as I call it. It's a beautiful home as it is, but it's just not my style, So I'm going to be jazzing it up and making it super cozy. And just making it ours. So super excited for that. We've got a year full of travel planned. So we just got back from a 7-day vacation over Christmas to the Caribbean. We went to Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and Turks and Caicos. And we decided we think that an annual Christmas vacation is just something we're always going to do. So now that our daughter's almost 18, she'll be 18 this year, Christmas just isn't as important as it used to be. So we would much rather go have an experience than buy things. So I think that's kind of the vibe we're on going forward. So just got back from that trip, hence the tan line. Y'all was so pale. But we've got Europe coming up in March. We're doing 11 days in Europe, 3 days in Naples, 3 days in Rome, 3 days in Paris. While we're in Naples, it's absolutely my dream to get on a boat and boat to Capri. I think it's what they call it, Capri. And spend the day there, just be super bougie. And when we go to Rome, maybe rent a car. I don't know. I heard it's not really a good idea to rent a car in Italy, but we'll see. And when we go to Paris, we have 3 days there. I do want to take the 2-hour train to London because I've never been to London, and I'm trying to maximize what I see while I'm over in Europe. So it's not someplace I'll be going regularly, I don't think. But we've got that coming up in March. April, my birthday's coming up. So I'm going to be hosting a fancy dinner en blanc for some friends here at my house. I'm super excited about that. In May, we've got Orlando. Orlando's not exactly one of my favorite places to go, but the trip is free, so we're going to go. The summer's pretty open. August is my anniversary. I'm pretty sure we'll squeeze a little trip in there. And when December rolls back around, we'll be going on another family vacation. So that's the travels I have coming up. But I've got some exciting things going on around this house. I've got to decorate it. We've got to repaint. We've got to just make it ours. So I'll be taking you along on the ride of our no reno. My mom, thankfully, loves interior design and decorating. So she's going to be helping me with those projects. I might even pull some designers in to help. So one of the biggest things I'm struggling with right now is in the great room. I would say the ceilings are all of 22 feet tall. So it's a lot of wall between the floor and the ceiling. And y'all, I can't wrap my head around it. So the obvious thing to do is just repaint. But my mom was like, what if we do an accent wall with wallpaper? And I kind of like that idea, but I just don't know. So I've got to pull that together. My daughter's turning 18 this year. She's a junior, so she'll be a senior next year. So I'll be empty nesting come, I guess, 2025? No, 2024. Yeah. So she'll start her senior year this August. So I'm trying to wrap my brain around not having her here when she goes to school. And it makes me really sad thinking about it because she has been my everything. She'll still be my everything, but my world has revolved around her for her whole entire life. And just to have her not be here every single day, I'm just kind of struggling with that. So y'all go on that journey on the road to empty nesting with me, I'm sure. Got new businesses we're launching. I just launched a web course for new agents or agents that have experienced failure to launch in their business. So that's for sale. So, tweaking that, making improvements, preparing for the next one. Digital media, digital sales is something that I do want to explore more in the future. So I'll be taking you along on that journey. And you guys, I've got a whole bunch of content to shoot. So yes, I'm trying to get my life in order with content creation. I am very active on social media platforms, but I feel like the older I get, I'm morphing into my mother. When it comes to social media, it's like there's always something to try to keep up with. So really excited to have you guys here on Lifestyle with Ruthie. I'm excited for all the things that I'm going to bring to you this year. So I hope you stick with me and let's engage. Let's have fun. You guys, I want your opinion about the things I'm doing, specifically with my house, because I'm all about doing things to improve, to build equity in the home. So, okay, guys, I'm going to hop off here and get back to work. Lifestyle with Ruthie, relaunching officially. So excited that you're here and look out for the next video.